Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Tuan Mohamad Khuzairi Hakim bin Tuan Mohamad Azhari. Nombor matrik 13 DKM 19F10991. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan case study maintenance yang bertajuk CKJ Engineering and Service. Pada mula-mula company background. CKJ Engineering and Service Sendirian Berhad was incorporated in Malaysia on 26 January 1998 under company 1995 as a private limited company. Over the years, CKJ successfully provide quality service to various reputable onshore and offshore clients, including marine and petrochemical industry based in Kemaman supply base. Committed to improve our credible quality service, we have already been certified ISO 9001 in 2008. In May 2009, to show our commitment to international standard, set aggressive marketing plan to ensure best quality service product. Registered with DOSH, National Department of Occupational Safety and Health. Approved SAM listing process, applied market friendly pricing system to increase client satisfaction. Company scope and management. 1. Steel fabrication works. Steel fabrication is the process involving the transformation of raw steel into a product or item that can be used in construction or assembly. Steel is considered an alloy of iron and other metal. There are a wide variety of different kinds of steel, which are used in structure and fabrication operation. Essentially, fabrication is basically making a metal into the shape we need. 2. Marine and plant maintenance. Marine and plant maintenance system allows ship owner and operator to plan, perform and document vessel maintenance at interval, complying with class and manufacturer requirement. The objective is to ensure safe and reliable vessel operation, including equipment, in addition to complying with all the applicable regulations. 3. Blasting and painting works. Blasting is the operation of possibly properly a stream of abrasive material against a surface under high pressure to smooth a road surface, roughen and smooth surface, shape a surface, or remove surface contaminants. 4. Mechanical engineering service. Mechanical engineering is concerned with mechanical and electrical equipment installation and maintenance. M&E service conserve a commercial property and help improve the productivity of the asset. 5. Pipe spool or line fabrication and installation work. The installation of pipe system follow its fabrication and is very frequently a part of it. The installation of pipe can be accomplished in the following two primary ways or combination: field fabricate and install the shop, fabricate and field erected. For company member, we have founder, managing director is Haji Cikgu Junaidi bin Cikgu Sin. And general manager is Tuan Syamali bin Tuan Mat. Finance director is Maria binti Jusof, and operation director is Wan Zaidil Fitri bin Wan Mat Zain. Okay. For application of maintenance system, civil maintenance service. Civil maintenance means the provision of all service required to maintain and preserve NCC physical infrastructure such as roadway, waterway, light fixture and furniture, plumbing system. 2. Hosting maintenance. A host is a device used for lifting or lowering a load by means for a drum or lift wheel, around which rope or chain wrap. It may be manually operated, electrically, and pneumatically driven, and may use chain, fiber, or wire rope at its lifting medium. The most familiar from the most familiar form in an elevator, the car of which is raised and lowered by a hose mechanism. Stationary equipment. Stationary equip 3. Stationary equip repair and maintenance storage tank immediate boat container. Basically, these are equipment do not have a prime mover driven rotating component will be considered a static equipment. And here's some example with what sort of online preventive maintenance which are usually carried out on a static equipment. 4. Maintenance services station equipment air conditioning. Air conditioning plants means the air conditioning plants means the plant, machinery and equipment installed in the building for heating, cooling or circulating air in the premise, and any alteration, addition or replacement for this plant, machinery and equipment. Weakness problem based on the implementation maintenance system. Lack of standard. Maintenance procedure in a plant are part of a routine. The execute procedure should not vary each time they are undertaken. Lack of standard procedure cause ambiguity. Technicians have to run back and forward to activity, them losing time. And variability is maintenance arising from ambiguity will cause problem down the line. 2. Problem caused by unplanned downtime. Unexpected machine failure cause disruption in plant operation. According to a study conducted by Vincent Bond, manufacturers on average experience 800 hours of unplanned downtime every year. Unplanned downtime make the complete plant unproductive. Processes downstream of the machine failure will be either in the machine failure. Active processes upstream will experience bottlenecks. Unplanned downtime affect the complete supply chain function for the company. They are caused by the inability to anticipate such a problem. Tight budget of maintenance. Effective maintenance work in itself is not the end maintenance activity or the activity of the plant are for the profitability of the business. 4. Team management. Managing team is a challenging task that is difficult in any environment. Maintenance team take up high risk operation. They have a lot riding on the effective upkeep of plant asset. Managing such a team becomes even more challenging. Lack of communication and miscommunication puts plant operation is jeopardy. Plan the suitable maintenance. 1. Review all maintenance procedure and simplify them. Many procedures will have grown over time. In short, we may no longer need some steps. For instance, better spare or newer procedure may now be available. In addition, there is a tendency of job instruction to grow over time. To make sure a job is done correctly, we will add more and more detailed steps. Understand and follow safe work practice. It can be tempting to cut some corner and complete work faster. However, this can be an expensive mistake if there is a major accident or technician get injured. Above all, we must make sure that technician and equipment operators have appropriate safety training and do follow them. 3. Unpredictable unplanned and breakdown maintenance. We should wait in buffer time to handle such work. This means we break each day or week into period for planned maintenance based on a category. 4. Create a maintenance calendar. We should share maintenance schedule dates on critical equipment in operation. We use this to make sure that it will not conflict with their plan. Okay, and for the last one, conclusion. Nowadays, predictive maintenance of machine plays a considerable role since that give a lot of advantage to the system. Condition monitoring is the key for the predictive maintenance. The condition and performance monitoring of turbines, generator, associated component has become very important tool in maintenance engineering. In general, critical machinery would require a shutdown period to preventive maintenance. This approach will not only costly but has actually been known to reduce reliability by disturbing element with which are perfectly well or by introducing fault during dismantling or an assembly. With condition monitoring, measurements are taken from which the state of the machine can be predicted before a catastrophic failure. With the improvement of predictive maintenance, benefits like improved efficiency, low preventive maintenance safely can be expected. Thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum.